When you're making art, do you sometimes feel like this? Then you may be suffering from artist block. In this video, I'm going to come up with 2 ways to help you overcome the perils of artist block. Step 1, try a different medium, try something new, try and create something in a different way. Even if it's something like write a poem and then draw a picture of that poem, or give yourself 30 seconds and paint a picture, something, anything to kind of unlock that artist block. Try a completely different medium. If you're a watercolorist, paint in oils if you've got them around handy. We usually have, don't we? Even go out into nature, pick up a stick, bring it back to your studio or your desk, get some ink, get some paint and make some marks. Have a look what you create. That might get your artistic juices flowing. Step 2. This might be a little controversial, but my view is just keep working, just keep pushing, just keep trying, and eventually you will get over that artist block. There's a lot of people who kind of talk about peaks and troughs. I never see it as peaks and troughs. I always call it peaks and plateaus. I don't believe you can get worse at something. So if you find that you're struggling, it might just be that you feel that you're not producing work that you think you should be producing. You're producing the work that you are producing, and that's fine. It's about understanding. If you find that you're struggling, it might just be that you feel that you're not producing work that you think you should be producing. You're producing the work that you are producing, and that's fine. It's about understanding that you are on a journey. The only time you fail is if you get off that journey and if you stop. That's it. Quit and you fail. Keep pushing, keep working, pick up your pencil, pick up your paintbrush and paint and draw, or draw and paint. All right? Really important. Don't just stop. If you do suffer from artist block, I think it may be because art is really important to you and you want to just make the best art that you can. And if you feel that you're not making the best art, then you feel that you may be having some kind of blockage there. It's a process. We just keep moving on. We just keep going. I'm sure my sketchbooks are filled with drawings that I may not ever show anybody ever in the whole history of my sketchbook because I'm not entirely happy with it. All of those drawings though, all of those many drawings that I've created that I'm not happy with have all led me to my successful drawings and my successful paintings, okay? So don't be too harsh on yourself. If you've got artist block, try something different or just keep pushing through. Remember, you are talented, you are capable, and at the end of the day, it should just be fun. We're making art. It's not rocket surgery or brain science, okay? It's art, and it should be for the betterment of everybody. So enjoy, have a wonderful day, and make some art.